Bigger than Google and Microsoft combined.
Incredible.
It's huge.
Yeah.
I mean, that's, 74
74.5 million iPhones sold. Max, what's your response here?
So it's very interesting, very good. Obviously, the margin, I think, is the buried lead here. A little bit of weakness in Mac, a little bit of weakness in iPad, although less than had been feared. And clearly, the iPhone 6 is the record-breaking story here. It sold much more than people thought, way above a quarter. That jacks up the margin. It also jacks up the average price per unit sold. I think the runaway success of the iPhone 6 Plus and that huge hunger, particularly in Asia, for the large form factor screen, is the runaway story of why this set of numbers is so strong. Incredible.
Lou, what about you? What do you do with the shares now?
No, I think this is a must-own stock. I think we were on a couple weeks ago saying that. I mean, this is, it's hard to imagine a year ago where Apple was at trading in the 70s and everyone was dogging Tim Cook, wondering if he was cut out for this job, if he could really deliver. And I mean, quite frankly, I know it's not in his character, but he should just stand up and point to the scoreboard and sit back down. I mean, these are mind-melting numbers. I'm really interested to get some color on Apple Pay. They said they're not going to break out the data there, but as you know, this is a growth driver that I've been talking about for a year that I really think could deliver a lot of upside for them over the longer term that people aren't taking into account.
Okay, Alex, so listen, what about you? How does this change your price target for Apple shares? What is it going into this report? What do you do with it now?
JPM Securities is already at a $150 price target, which is basically just giving it a mean market multiple for the S&P 500. I think you could argue with these kind of numbers that it deserves a premium to the mean market multiple, so you can go higher from there. I think the good news for Apple is that the linchpin of the strength was the iPhone, and the iPhone is really the foundation upon which all the other Internet of Things and compute and halo effect type of technology opportunities are there for Apple. So I think there's a long way for this story and this stock to go.